Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a stylish look that is easy to manage every day, this video is just for you. As we grow older, our hair texture can change. Some women get thinner hair, some get dry hair, and many start embarrassing their natural gray hair. That's why choosing the right haircut becomes very important. Let's explore some beautiful and easy hairstyle that save time and still look amazing. Short pixie cut. The pixie cut is one of the easiest hairstyle to manage. It is short, light and very comfortable. You don't need to spend much time styling it. Just a quick comb or a little styling cream is enough. This haircut also makes your face look fresh and youthful. Classic bob cut. The bob cut is always in fashion. It usually comes just below the ears or at chin length. It is easy to wash, easy to dry and easy to style. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. This style looks neat and elegant for everyday life. Layered shoulder length hair. If you don't want very short hair, try shoulder length layers. Layers add volume and movement to your hair. It makes your hair look fuller and healthier. You don't need much styling, just let it air dry or do light brushing. The haircut is a relaxed and modern style. It has soft layers and a natural look. This haircut is perfect if you like a slightly messy but stylish appearance. It works well with both straight and wavy hair. If you have natural curls, don't hide them. Show them. A short curly haircut is very easy to manage. Just use a little cream, conditioner. It gives a fun, lively and youthful look. Trapped cut. A trapped cut is a shorter at the back and sides with a little volume on top. Gray hair with natural style. Many women over 50 are now proudly embarrassing their gray hair. Keep it simple and natural. A soft cut with light layers can make gray hair look beautiful and shiny. No need for coloring. This saves time and effort. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Avoid too much heat styling. Trim your hair regularly. Keep your hair hydrated with oil or serum. So these were some low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. Remember, the best haircut is the one that makes you feel comfortable and confident. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.